no more zipline now. Really close.
We are going to Seven Falls, and on this road usually monkeys, but now no more.
Monkey feel cold.
Maybe cold because rainy also.
You need to stop here for now.
Hi. Good afternoon. How are you?
Zipline is closed.
Yes.
Mag ano lang mag-vlog lang.
Viewing na lang ma'am. 160 po lahat.
160.
Что еще деньги наплатить?
160, да?
Hello guys, we're here in Seven Falls. We're going to see
But
this
the
fall.
zipline already closed.
Yes, unfortunately it's already closed, but no, not unfortunately. I'm really afraid to ride this zipline. I'm really scared. So it's good that it's not working anymore.
What? Love, you know, for this no.
My mama has like this.
Yeah. Maybe you want more?
No, mama already has a lot.
Like
Our
this yellow.
subscribers send her like gifts. Wow, already here.
Yes. Love, you know, before this is so a lot here. But now they already moved there. I like some anik-anik. Like some
Anik-anik.
dress. Anik-anik like this.
Souvenirs.
Called that anik-anik.
It's already late. Wow. Oh my god, so wow guys. Maybe you can see it in the camera but in the video, but so deep. So deep, like
yeah,
this.
it's like 100, no, it's almost 200 meters deep.
Yeah.
180 meters deep from there.
Oh my god. So nice place, guys. I would like to bring my family here, but so far. Wow, guys, I already can see so big,
Really big.
really big. Avocado. Hi. Wow, so big.
I think
Oh my god. I never seen such a big waterfalls.
like this.
Yes.
So big. Bakit kaya?
Wow. So big waterfall. I never seen like this.
Where's the dimlam?
I don't know.
He's still not here.
It's okay. Wow. My god, guys. So big waterfall.
Just wait them now.
Okay.
Where's the dimlam?
I don't know. Wow. Wow.
How was here now? You like it?
Yeah, I like it so much. So beautiful waterfall. Donna looking for shells. Shells. guys, I just want to go closer. Wow. So many stones here. My God, they have also cave. This is the cave. You can live here. Guys, we are in Zipline area. Wow, so beautiful here. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my God, this is Zipline.
Are you gonna try this tomorrow, huh?
No,
No?
never.
Never?
No,
Why not?
no, it's very scary. I thought it's not so high.
It's not love.
Maybe
You
only...
right here, love, going there, and then you see that house in the...
Yes.
And then from there, go there.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Statistic is good. Maybe only 1-2 died.
I will be
the heart
served.
attack.
I will be served.
Wow, heart attack.
No, it's so scary here.
Yeah, but when you know, love, when you arrive here in the center, you will enjoy.
No enjoy.
No enjoy. But me, I enjoy love. My family watch here and we ride together with my cousin going there.
Are you going tomorrow?
I don't know. What do you think of? What?
You can ride, but without me. No.
Solo jump.
So, you going to ride tomorrow?
Solo.
Yeah? Oh my God. You're so brave.
Or maybe so stupid.
Let's try love.
We'll see tomorrow.
You see that one? You will enjoy love. You go back Monday morning. Thank you, love.
Oh my God.
We have Tantanga, Norala, Coronada, Sampakan, Banga, Santo Niño, Kurala, Toku, Sumalot, Sibawi, and love, you see, like they so big.
Yeah,
Also Sibawi.
like Cebu very big.
Santo Niño is the small. And the second small, I think, Norala. Yes.
Okay guys, we're going to buy some souvenirs. Oh, Barbie doll.
Yan, siya yan eh.
100 na siya, ma'am.
Wow, so beautiful.
Pareho, mga tag-50 lang yung mga tinala.
Gusto ko ano, okay.
Yan, 50 yan naman.
50 ni siya.
Apo, ang maliit. Ito kasi malaki.
Also some bracelets.
Ito, bronze sir, medium brass.
Ah, wow.
Bells.
Well,
You want love?
how much?
100 each. And this one, small. 80 ma'am. Sila? 80. Gawa yan sa ano ma'am, sa bronze brass. Ito may key holder, oh. May pangalan. 35 tatlo na.
Maybe I buy this like this.
May necklace mo.
Pang ano din siya. Napa mo uba ay arao, wait
Ay,
lang.
mama, ibang
Love. Because we have coming dance love on school.
Ari mama, nami, oh.
Wow.
Pero man, dri, anyo, ari ma'am, oh. Ari ma'am namin, man siya ma'am, oh.
Gusto ko ba yung ano yan?
Ari, oh, ari.
Kaya siya ah.
Para 200. Ari ma'am.
So what do you think this one?
Gawa.
Wow.
What do you think? Kaya ni siya kanisa.
650 na siya mama.
650?
Handmade kasi gawa to sa shell man. Handmade yung bronze. Ano siya?
Because
Mami,
made by
siya-
Shell.
Handmade. Ito mama rin.
This is for hair.
Mm.
Like this.
Ah, wow.
And you're done.
Mhm.
Taga saan ko mo?
Taga ano, Malongon.
Ay, ano naman. May mga dress na kami ma'am, pang mga tayo na sila. Ako. Hindi siya gwapo.
Guapa kayo.
The good bell, sir.
Yes, very good.
You like it?
Hindi na kwadang.
So guys, we are in grill night market. Сейчас пробегусь до конца, посмотрю.
Да.
Love, we just go there, watch and we come back. We buy something.
Maria, what the shopping center?
Saan ang kali, oy? Wala may makaon.
Ah, also same grill.
But ano? Wala pa lang.
Hi there.
Hello, good evening. Ah, well, the same everywhere. Wow. О, короче, везде все одинаковые, так что можно в любом месте. Смотрите, где он лучше.
Я не знаю, как они конкурируют друг с другом.
Good.
For such small town, it's a good place.
Нет, maybe.
Американская.
You like that?
So.
Yeah, so nice. Looks so fresh. We just bake it.
Pizza from Mr. Snuffy.
Recomendación. No recomendación.
Ah, wow. Wow. We have fried mud fish, catfish, and a lot of grill. Kauna. Kaina.
Kaon na ta.
Kaunata.